What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to extract RAR files on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. This is the official 7-zip download page. 7-zip is a free and open source file archiver, a utility to place groups of files within compressed archives, as well as extract files from compressed containers. Select to download the application for Windows 10, 32 or 64-bit, depending on the version of your operating system. In case you are unsure about which OS you are using, then right-click the Windows icon in your taskbar and select System. On this window, for System Type, you will see if it's 32 or 64-bit. The download should only take a second and will be located in your Downloads folder. Double-click the Setup installer. Here, make sure to select the correct destination folder to install 7-zip. The application will not require a lot of disk space. After clicking on Install, it will take a minute to install the application, and then you can close this window and delete the installer. Now, when right-clicking a .rar file, you will see the option to Open Archive with 7-zip. This will open up a new window, where you can drag and drop the files to your desktop. This will extract the files, and you should be done. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.